Hey everyone, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. So this one is about Google My Business and your local SEO. So there's a relatively new thing that Google has out, and that is about health and safety. So if you go into your Google My Business and then come over here to the left where it says info, click on that, then scroll down until you come down here to health and safety and click on that. All right, scroll down till you get to the health and safety section, and you'll see that there are 5 options available, right? Appointment required, mask required, staff gets temperature checks, staff wears mask, and temperature check required. So any of these that you want to add, you just go ahead and click on them, right? And it'll show you that you are saying, yes, our staff wears masks. And then when you're done, you go ahead and click on apply. All right, and it's that simple. You'll see here now in the health and safety section that there's this section that says staff wears masks. Thanks, and I hope this helps. If you have any further questions, you can always come over to BTFOOM.com and contact us on our contact page, or leave a question or comment below. Thanks.